is Jalu. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare the main ingredient for making Som Tom. Okay, the common one we use in Thailand is green papaya. It's not ripe. And we use mango, also not ripe. And cucumber. Okay, first you also have to have knife, and the knife like this for peel the skin, and like this for shred them. Okay, first what we do, I will start with the papaya at the top here. Peel them up. Okay, this one papaya you can make a lot of Som Tom. Okay, this already peeled and clean mango. In Thailand, we have so many different kind of mango. They have sweet, sour, and really sour one. The one I use is the sour one, but you can choose which one you can find or which one you like. Okay, here, but we not peel the cucumber. Usually in Thailand, a lot of people, if they make it at home and want to make it taste good, for papaya, we'll start with the papaya first. What they do, they use a knife and chop them. But you have to be careful with your hand. I will show you with the knife like this first. But if you're afraid to use this knife, you can use this one. It's more easier. Okay, let's start with this one first. What they do is they chop like this. Okay, you chop it like this, and you will cut it. And I'm gonna put on ice because when you put on ice, it makes papayas crunchy and crispy. It's really nice to eat. Okay, you slide them like this. You can see how they are turned like this. Okay, we're gonna do like this, like all papaya. If you want it a lot, but if you don't want it a lot, maybe you just make them half and keep the other half. Okay, and I show you how to use this. If you have this, it will be more easy for you. You do like this. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like, the one that you make with this. Okay, they will look like this. Okay, and next, also mango, they do the same. You will chop them like this. Slide them. Okay. Or use this. Okay. Then for the last one, cucumber. Cucumber also, they do like this. Chop them like this. And you just cut it. Like this. But if you're afraid to do like this, you will just cut them like this. Like this long. Okay? It can be like this too if you're afraid to chop them. Okay, this is done. you will prepare them like this before the class. All of them, you can choose one, the one you like. Okay, we'll see you in the class.